Second graders, today we're going to go over some answers to the Science Nearpod about push and pull forces. So here you were supposed to draw an example of a push force. There are a lot of things you could have drawn here. Maybe you drew yourself pushing a chair in, closing a door, rolling a ball, pushing anything with an object moving away from you. That would be a push force. So if you drew yourself opening a door, that would not be a push force because the door is moving closer to you. You would have to be closing the door. The next one asks you to draw a picture of a pull force. That would be opening a door, pulling a chair out of your desk, bringing your fork or spoon up to your mouth. That's anything where the object is moving closer to you is a pull force. This question, I wanted you to think about what surface might make moving the wagon easier, because moving a wagon on grass is not very easy. So if you're thinking about maybe a surface that is a little bit less rough, a little bit more smooth, like the sidewalk or the street, those would be good examples of how the wagon might move a little bit easier because it's a smoother surface. If you try to pull a wagon on mud, that probably wouldn't be easier. It'd probably make it even harder since that isn't a smooth surface. It's very sticky and rough.